Moen offers a distinctive line of bath accessories such as towel rings, robe hooks, towel bars, and paper holders to help you create a perfectly coordinated bath. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a bath accessory into drywall with the ProFit installation mounting system. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill, 1/4-inch drill bit, ProFit installation template tool, Phillips screwdriver, and safety glasses if desired. Step 2. Determine placement and install mounting brackets. To make installation easier, use the ProFit installation template tool. Decide where you'd like to mount the accessory on the wall. Find your accessory type indicated on the ProFit installation template tool. Place the tool at the proper position on the wall. Make sure it's level and drill 2 1/4-inch pilot holes for each mounting bracket. Thread a drywall anchor into each hole. Insert a wood screw through each mounting bracket and thread it into each anchor until an audible click is heard. Make sure the snap tab on each bracket is facing downwards. The last step is attaching the bath accessory to the mounting brackets. Assemble the bath accessory. Place a post on each mounting bracket, making sure the opening at the base of each post is facing downwards, and press firmly until you hear a click. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a bath accessory with the ProFit installation mounting system is fast and easy with Moen. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services